Fun again, I mean, that's say, man.
See.
You know, Sassina Killer represent for good life. No, me I tell you now. Could never trouble with a youth or wife. Live life. It's all about the good life.
Oh.
So nice. Power. Y'all come check with the oi. Come around me and get the oi. After Kimona carry the oi. You should have seen you, girl run. Good life production. Stick it in them belly. Them say oi. All of them friend want we oi. So them circle. Yeah, man, good life.
Good life.
Me, I'm telling you, man, good life. So nice. No, me, I'm telling you, big. Can't stop big.
Big.
Every year we get bigger and bigger. Good life promotion to the world. Fun again.
Fun again.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Fun again, I mean I represent for Kino. Life in Jamaica, no me I tell you no man. It's all about the good life, Kino promotion, no me I tell you no, all over the nation, no me I tell you no man. It's big, no me I tell you no, Kimo. Don't slow down now, you can win. Go faster man, choose your car. You finish the race in first place and first time, never mind. Silicon Valley, choose your car. Me know man, big, me know man.
Big.
Come man, good life.
Fun again.
Fun again.
Fun again,
man.
Give them piece of
Right,
that.
I know what fun again. In the rain or the night or the sun again. Me and the girl them a party with rum again. And no raper can come touch none of them. Boy, I call them know what fun of them. And a good life a touch off the whole of them. You should have so we make them come fast and the run of them. Through them one drive na the legs and the home of them. No, me I tell you no man. Gani, no?
Gani, man. Set.
Yeah, but your team is coming in as elsewhere. You know, it's going to be a picnic.
What else got it, Daniel? Okay, I'm sorry. You never give me the plate, man.
It's their plate.
Ten plate.
Yeah, black one. Get to one,
Yes, I'm
Alright. Jun.
Your family are gone.
No thing going to work. I go and mad outside, you know, you would.
Yeah, I know, man. They are so go and take in, so I go on, you see me?
Yeah, the work. Oh,
Yeah, for real.
you see me when I reach far.
Almost finished, yeah.
Almost finish.
Top to go on now.
Yeah. Almost finish and things. So boy, Father God, we have to give thanks again.
Yeah, for
Every
real.
day we have to
Definitely.
give thanks to the Father.
The Almighty, man, I make it possible for us.
Yeah.
If I were him right now. You see me?
I tell you,
It will be possible.
and give thanks to the people, them, the donor, them, the supporter, them.
To everyone right now, so.
To everyone.
can do something, man. Play a part, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And everybody out there play
Give a
them
helping
part.
hand, so.
Yeah, everybody out there play them part same way, you see me?
Yeah.
Malta and Mix, Black and Lay, I like the strength we are going out there, you know?
Cool, man.
Everybody glad,
Good luck, man.
everybody glad for know say yo, the thing are up.
Yeah.
You see me I say, they call it the rise of Jin. You see me I say, you can't down for long, you know, you have to rise up. Like how you,
Yeah, you know what I think, man.
like how you
You
sit up.
boss, man, isn't it?
Mhm.
Yeah,
Like,
man, hold up a sit up, man. There's some place or something like this, but one can relax up.
yeah,
Is it?
yeah,
Yeah, them way there.
you know,
Yeah, so me I sit up good now, brother.
cool, huh?
Yeah, I just choose for my destiny. Me never really have that could have lean back like all this, you see it?
You know what was nice, the sweetest time when you sit down in the room for the first time and everything done and ready. you can't imagine the smile I got up on your face.
Nah, tell you, brother, man.
Just can't
Joy, man, is it?
yeah. Just can't imagine the smile got up on your face and you stay so right up on the bed and stay so when the door lock and you're alone in there. And just go and reminisce and you're like John was time.
Cool,
You see
man.
me?
I really thought, brother, man. You know the thing I heard about that, man. Just glad for everything, star. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, glad for everything right now, cause feel more better, you see him, brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I feel more happy in myself and know, say, it almost complete, so.
Yeah, feel good in yourself and
Yeah,
things.
man, to everybody when we are part key, you know, I have to tell them much thanks and love, man, cause
Every time.
them do a lot for me, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them do a lot, man, you see me?
Trust.
I really respect
Yeah,
the
man,
one
you
way.
have to
where
give
reach
thanks,
out
you know.
and help, you see me, I say?
Cause I remember when everything was from 0, you know.
Alright,
0 to 100, you see me?
straight.
So you know that's a whole heap of strength we get from the people and the Almighty themselves. So boy, I say when Father God say yes, nobody else can say no, you see me?
Straight.
In a year turn, nobody can stop it, you see me?
Una family.
It was your, of course, it was your turn dog for your upliftment so you can comfortably in life, you see me?
Yeah, for real.
And no matter why, you know, people always get knocked down in life, you know. But there's always a way up. You see me? And Father God shining blessings for you, rise up back, my general, no joke. You see me? So you don't know the phone that ring and me answer the call and I'm there. I do the maths.
Straight.
So yeah, answer the calling. You know, but me have some donation for you. Me have 2 donations I'm going to work collect for you as well too.
Yeah.
You have one of them which is 13,000 from Jamaica. So what? 13,000 from Jamaica and the 4 corners.
Yeah.
You see me? This name Jamaica and the 4 corners from the UK, England, 13,000. Jamaica and the 4 corners.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's from Jamaica and the 4 corners.
Yeah, Jamaica and the 4 corners. Respect and honor and blessing family. You see me? Yeah, only for respect and gratitude and honor, you know? Yeah, man, blessings, man.
Out of England.
Out of England, UK.
Yeah, UK.
Yeah, man, only for love, man, family, you see me?
Yes.
Yeah, man, I really appreciate it because this is what the whole for help right now.
Yeah. You know, them say them are head towards the cars with the material and things, see me, so you don't know.
Yeah, and I try to work up a thing to give the workers them as well. So, you know, say, yeah.
So, you know,
Can
people.
help out in a lot of ways, you see me?
Now, what I tell a lot of people up on the side, so you know, I have to give thanks for them.
You want about 13 person. I want 13 somebody to see me.
Yeah, so
start.
so better work
I don't
out
everybody
fast.
try to help out still.
Yeah.
Something like that still, you know?
Everybody I try to give a helping hand, isn't it?
Yeah, for real. For
And this is Fana G from the UK.
yeah.
Fana G from the UK, $10,000.
Fana G.
Yeah. First name Fana G.
Big up yourself in a Fana G. You see me? Only for respect and family and blessings. And love, you see me? Yeah, man, only for honor and give thanks a lot.
Yeah,
You see me? So, yeah, man, really appreciate it.
Yeah,
A
man.
lot, you see me, Kino?
Yeah, man. Fana G from the UK. Big up yourself.
Blessings.
And Jamaicans and the 4 corners. Big up on yourself, see me, and give thanks for the support. Much thanks. You see me? Give thanks to the Almighty. Over and over, we can't stop saying.
Yeah, for
You
real.
see me? And give thanks to the people that want to give you the strength. Blessings to all of the viewers them. So you know we can't stop saying. You the
Yeah, man,
man.
viewers and subscribers, everybody.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Blessings, man, and to everyone again, Kino. From the start till now. Who continue to donate and stuff. I tell them all for love and respect and honor, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Give thanks to a lot to everybody. Everyone will play a part and turn up and see to it that the place up, you see me?
Yeah.
And the workers, them, they don't know, them do a good job, you see?
Yeah, them really do a good job, you know, like. Them give a good strength, you see me? You know, like, a lot of them come and show
And
the
they
love.
are like every day, so.
Every day.
Yeah, man. And the more I do, the more I see people come on, so.
Yeah.
That thing.
Big up the
I love
unknown.
that, man.
Big up unknown CNA from the UK, CMA.
All of the unknown, them, man.
Yeah, man. Big up
Everybody.
themself.
Everyone.
Faith, whole entourage,
See me?
everybody big up himself.
Yeah, everybody.
You
Everyone.
don't know. There
Only
people
by
are
love,
still,
man.
yeah man. People are still
Everything,
contribute CMA towards the cause.
Definitely feel.
Yeah,
So,
man, see.
glad to see the thing almost up and thing. How the nether wind that go in, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, bossy.
You see it now, boss.
Yeah, it look tough, so. Yeah, man.
And we get to buy the tile them already and everything.
Yeah, can tell me say by tomorrow or so. And put on the top.
Yeah.
Maybe them try so them can start the tiling and stuff. I want him to do the ceiling. I him done the tiling. Make him sealing up inside, so it have an official look, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the ceiling I go work on the inside ceiling and stuff and things. Yeah, man. So
Everything I got man, you know. You don't know, they say man, you go and see the work them I go on with. You
yeah.
go and relax yourself and things, you see
Cool
me?
brother, man. You know the
And
thing.
go and chill, go and with a vibe.
Yeah, I go and build and go and observe, you know what I mean?
Yeah, taking the cool breeze will come through.
I will tell you, because breeze are come to you, it's kind of cool, so. So you just go and sit up and go and take it fresh air.
Yeah, see that.
Yeah,
So you don't know, I say man, Almighty have the fresh breeze. Even when you know go out for the last 2 days. You see me?
It's so simple to do everybody.
Yeah,
Just go and build back some engine car too, when you test it through a long time, you don't really come out and stuff. When you come with the 2 days and pack it down, a slide, I stick me a little car through as well test I still have a shot in my back.
Okay.
You see me, so yeah. Still have a bullet in my spine, so eventually. At that man, so I try to build back little. Yeah, as soon as we get it cushion, we can put it in our back, in a chair, you can come out even more, fight it up, move back, move feel more, you know, firmer and better.
Yeah, so more comfortable.
Lean back with more soft, so, you see me? Yeah.
So, yeah man, everything I got man, you have all everything there in due time.
Cool man.
As I say, Father God see the need you know, and people out there them see the need, you see me?
Yeah.
As I say, you're a friend in need, you see me? So people will definitely keep and reach out to make sure say you're comfortable. Just like how other people can comfortable at home, you see me? I say so.
True.
See me reach out for you, you see me? Yeah, that's man, a friend in need. So I go to see what I go and work and then go and
Alright, bro. Circle when you're ready there.
Yeah, man.
Just there go and all the rims. Go and build the clientele.
Yeah.
Then finish up the other man, you understand?
Alright then.
Yeah, so yeah, man. To everyone again, respect and blessings. All of love and thanks, you know, to everybody. So, yeah, really appreciate it. Listen, man.
Alright then, give
Yeah,
them.
man, one love.
Yeah.
One general.
I'm great, John.
Well, aye. Aye, Morgan.
What I want. Ready, I know, man.
Yeah.
Construction, I can't do clean. Yeah, Jody. Good evening. Good evening.
Not sell today. Who that?
Judy, your face black out now. They go and fly back at you and you can die.
Alright.
Wow, the ball like a walk past in the corner.
Good life, bro.
What about in there? What about in there?
You kid up, boss.
They get fired. Must be there, my village, so must be there.
Check listen to the music. All I black them that, you know.
Ya me entiendes, ¿no?
Big space, cover your nave now.
Big man. Big better can go this one.
Just right in this of things can go.
Yeah. Can put him in stove there, man. Yeah, man, brother, when we reach there, we get our toast. Yeah, man. Just in the way. Towards red.
When you style out and done. Jeez.
Pretty man, pretty man. Kitchen man, yeah man. Kitchen bedroom.
I'm going to come cook.
Sure.
Want some girl fuck you off of the food?
Yeah, nothing wrong with that thing, I know, man.
Engine up your nose.
Yeah, go back to the yard, eh?
Buy 2 of the things, yeah?
That's how I need it.
Yeah, buy 2 of them.
Construction, last trip, you know. Are you bossy? Me name right now already, yes or no?
Tell them for the camera. Only buy everything. So that's
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.